Hello Fumi Nation, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold and welcome to bra hack number 8. You know what? Let me tell you. Sometimes I wonder who is actually on the top tier making bras for us. Are they women? Are they men? I have to ask, do they wear the bras that they manufacture in their own lives? When I go out bra shopping, I always stumble across a certain obstacle. I love the bra. The bra is my size, but the bra has padding. And I wonder, why am I having padding when I'm already big busted? How does that play out? And so there have been many times when I've passed on a bra because it didn't fit. It didn't fit because they had put in padding where I did not need padding. If you put padding in a bra for an A cup, I completely understand. B cup, I completely understand. If you want it to be an uplifted bra, I completely understand. But if I'm triple D, if I'm an F, if I'm an H, if I'm a J, why do I need padding? And so I came to the conclusion of cutting it out. Yep, and that's what we're going to do today. This is one of the bras. This is by Skims. And as you can see, I cut out the lining completely. And all of a sudden, I had a fantastic fit. Look at the padding that was in the bra. Completely unnecessary. Completely unnecessary. Look, I cut it all out. I lifted it and I cut it out. And look at all of the padding for a triple D cup. Let me just double check this. Yep, triple D cup, because I bought this in the United States, which would be an F. This is what I don't need. I am wearing another bra and I wanted to show you how squishy and messy it looks. And it's a Skims bra. It's a triple D, and we are also going to cut out the lining so that you can see the before and after. For the simple reason being, when you go out there and there's lining sewed into the bra, and I will show you when I'm cutting this out, you can cut it out and make your bra a perfect bra. So let's take this off and look. Look at all the overlay. You would think, and you would be right to say, Fumi, the bra is too small. But this is a triple D. And my boobs are spilling out of the cup. Do you see? So we're going to rectify all of that by cutting out the padding, which we do not need. All right? Okay, I'll be right back. All right, girls. So I've taken off the bra. I'm wearing another bra because I want to put this bra back on so that you can see the difference. Now, not all paddings are separated from the cup like this. But if you find that the bra you want, that the cup is separated from the padding, then you can cut it out. You do not need it at all. So what happens? Fumi, how do we do this? You just come to the front and you lift the fabric. If the fabric separates like this, then you can cut it out. You take it from underneath the padding, you take scissors and you just cut like so. I know you must be saying, Fumi, oh my God, I'm nervous. I've never done this before. I don't want to spoil the bra. You're not spoiling the bra. And there you have peekaboo. And this is the padding. Do you see what I'm saying? It is too much. We do not need it. Because anything that I am going to do for you girls, and I promise you I will, when it comes to my lingerie and bras, it's taking a while. It's going to take a minute. I'm doing it properly for you guys. I will have the padding option of where you can take the padding out. You don't necessarily have to have it sewn in. So I go in and I cut. Okay? When you're doing this, put your finger underneath to protect the bra cup so that you don't cut it. Okay? And you just go to the side like I am doing and you just trace it all across the side. And we're going to do that for the 2 cups, okay? There you go. As you can see, make sure that you put your fingers underneath and you just trace it all the way around. Because there are some really nice bras out there. Really nice. But it's got the padding. And I don't need the padding. I've already got a big bust. That's why I say to myself, who are these people making these bras for us? Who? Anyway, like I said, guys, don't worry. I'm going to do it. Okay? It's going to take a little bit longer because I'm making sure that everything is in order, and it takes time because we're not completely opened up yet. And as you can see, look, completely gone. Hooray, hooray. There we go. And that is it. Let me put this down. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Let me bring it in front so you can see. There you go. So this is one padding out. This is the second padding that we're going to take out. And this, my darlings, is it here. So we're going to go for the second one and just cut right through. Okay. I love the flesh tone of it. I just don't care for the padding. And there you have it. So guess what? We are going to try on the bra and see if there's a difference. And here is all of the padding taken out. All right, let's go try it on. You're going to love this, guys. You're going to love it. From a squishy bust, look at this. Look at even the sides of it. Just look. Look at how much better this is. You might have a little bit here where we cut off the lining. That is fine. You just seep it through, and then you can use glue and like glue it all the way nice and flat, and it's fine because I'm just trying to show you here. You can also, again, you can glue it all the way here. But look at the difference from taking off the padding. That is why I wanted to share this with you guys. This is one of my favorite hacks of all time, most especially after I had given birth to Adrian and I had breastfed. I just had a different set of boobs. Nobody asked me. They just gave me a new set of boobs. And I said to myself, self, this is your new life and you have to adjust. In adjusting, I realized that I just had all of this unnecessary padding. These bras are from Skims. I had done a bra sizing episode for you guys, which I'll link below. And so I knew what my size was. In America, I'm a triple D. In here in England, I'm an F. And that's what I bought. But as you saw, they were squishy because it had the padding. And that was taking me yet now to another size. And now I feel confident again. The bust is fabulous. I love the shade of the bra, like I said. I love my nudes because I wear a lot of sheers, a lot of organzas. So if you find a bra that the lining is sewn into it, you can absolutely cut it out. You can color in the edges. That's not a problem. You do that with what? With tea. You put your bras into boiling water with a tea bag. And it will color in the edges for you. Or you can use super glue. Boom, 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 boom. Gorilla glue. Don't put it in your hair. And you can put it onto the edges of your bra so that it's seamless. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this episode, my darlings. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and you let me know in the comment section what you think and what your bra hacks are. So this is bra hack number 8. I have so many goodies for you, and I hope that you are enjoying them. All of my love to my limousine girls. I'm a limousine girl. Absolutely. We've got limousine girls all over the world. And I want you to know that even if you're small busted, all of this applies to you. It absolutely applies to you. Nobody is singled out. What I have found out when it comes to lingerie and to bras is that the limousine girls are truly singled out. And I am here to be your spokesperson and say, nah, 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 we are not going to accept that. Lots of love, darlings. See you soon. Mwah.